Scully, owner of Sam Scully Staffing Solutions and Salmon Drones. I'm here and excited to discuss with you how we're using drone technology in our staffing augmentation services in various industries such as construction, engineering, and transportation. One of our most exciting projects was the LA graffiti towers. Our drone pilots captured stunning aerial views, provided critical data for construction efficiency, and ensured safety every step of the way. It's projects like that that truly showcase the power of combining drone technology with skill consulting. We are always looking for opportunities to collaborate. So thank you also taking your time to observe our video and learn about our company. You can always contact me directly at 818-266-9147, or you can go on our website, samscully.com, or you can go on our Instagram, Jonas in LA. Have a great rest of your year, and we look forward to hearing from you should you decide you need drone services or staffing augmentation.
OpsForVets.com. Handshakes, not handouts.